Have a favorites list on BingX that's getting a little crowded? Removing coins you no longer trade is quick and helps keep your watch list organized. In this video, I'll show you how to remove coins from your favorites on BingX in just a few easy steps. Let's get started. First, open BingX website and sign into your account. Once you're logged in, tap or click Markets. Next, open the Favorites tab, usually marked with a star icon. This section displays all the trading pairs you've previously added to your favorites list. Find the trading pair you want to remove. Next to the coin, you'll see a highlighted star or favorite icon, indicating it's currently saved. Simply tap or click the star once. The star will no longer be highlighted, and the trading pair will be removed from your favorites list immediately. You can repeat this process for any other coins you no longer want to keep in your watch list. If you change your mind later, don't worry. Simply search for the trading pair again in the Markets section and tap the star icon to add it back to your favorites. This gives you complete control over which markets appear in your personalized list. Keeping your favorites list organized makes it easier to find the trading pairs you use most and improves your overall trading experience. And that's how to remove coins from your favorites on BingX.